$1 million exotics, iconic movie cars, rat rods, custom trucks, bikes, muscle cars, and one truck you have to see to believe. Back at it at Night Moves in Virginia Beach. Let's go. Old school Chevelle with 1,000 horsepower twin turbo. Then we got this full size Chevy sitting on bags on the ground. Good God, that looks so sick. That's what we call slammed. Okay, Supra, I see you. Yes, sir, Mustang. Full size. Now, I don't care what you say. Rat rods are called rolling art. I mean, this diesel, old school Mercedes, this guy just put some time in this. There's no words I can explain on that. So sick. Then, of course, we got some old school Ford Probe. Bunch of imports, new imports, muscle. And, of course, you got one old and one new Skyline sitting off at the cut. Marty McFly is back. We're about to go back to the future. Ain't that right, honey? Back to the future. I wonder what year we should go to.
Look at the hot dog. Or is that a
Now, this is not a movie car, but man, this is a great specimen. This guy has a fully restored DeLorean. This thing is immaculate.
Everything, yeah, they bought the whole package.
Keeping with the doors that go up, check out this McLaren. There wasn't just one McLaren, not just two McLarens, but there's 3 McLarens that showed up to this Virginia Night Moves car show. Look at that color. I know it's a wrap, but it's still sick. Oh, I see what he's doing. He got that Montana tag. Check that out. Hey, you can't blame him though, right? I mean, I wouldn't want to pay property tax in Virginia either. But hey, there's a lot of rich people in Virginia Beach, but these are the only 3 exotics that came out to this car show in Virginia Beach. Because I know there's some Lamborghinis out there and Ferraris, but this year, the McLarens took over. Oh damn, we got another one. And of course we go from exotic supercars to the American supercars. These C8 Corvettes are absolutely amazing, along with all the old school Mustangs, Chevelles, even the Hellcats and the Challengers. I mean, I would like to see those two line up. I bet you they did, I just didn't stay long enough to see it. But anyways, let's move on. Black Beauties. This sick old muscle car here. And then this thing. Oh my gosh. I would love that. Rat rods, near and dear to my heart. This guy took some time working on this one. All these parts from the Volkswagens, just like these. I just love it. They're just unique. I mean, you can't beat them. Of course, we got the import, the Porsche, the 1,000 power BMWs, a Holden, another BMW.
All these cars out here, but we're here to see all the lowriders.
This was not one of them, I promise you that. But it is nice. Of course, right down the little road here, we have my favorites, those little mini trucks. We had a lot of imports this year. You might as well call Night Moves just import moves, because that's pretty much what it was. An overabundance of imports. Like this Honda with the sick ass color. Of course, we had a bunch of bikes. But then I see this little gem right here, an old school.
Wonder if this dude's gonna get a cease and desist.
Look at that Ferrari logo. This Civic's engine bay was nice, and this Silvia is nice. Also this Skyline, and I'm not sure exactly what this is, but it was very cool. As nighttime fell down in Virginia Beach at Night Moves 2026, a special guest appearance showed up. Brian L. Spillner. Okay, it really wasn't Brian.
If you guys don't know, Volkswagen actually made a mini truck, and it's right here. Let's go look at it. And here's just a little history. That is not the original engine. That is a swapped engine. I can't believe he got it in there to fit, actually. And it's a 5-speed. Check that out.
It's sold. I just gotta get the.
This is the sickest truck I have ever seen in my life. I present to you a Chevy Apache that has been heavily modified. This guy took his time putting in a Cummins diesel engine in it, a sleeper cab on the back, it's got a truck bed, it's got a dually axle in the back, it's got all the chrome, it's got, you can't see it in the paint, but this thing sparkles even at nighttime. All I can say is that this is a showstopper.